once you strip out the linings of your boot, you can see there underneath, above the amplifier, above your spare wheel, there is a little foam case that just unclips at the top there. It's a bit broken, as you can see, and there's your actuator. So this is only held in literally by the cables in front, so the whole unit is able to be pulled out like that, as you can see. So what you need to do, as you can see with me, I've taken a couple of pictures of it so you know before and after what it looks like and which plug goes in what. Then mark them up: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I've marked them up individually. So unplug all them, take the unit off, take it to your desk, and then open it up, have a look, see if it's your magnets that are broken, or whether it's the pump, or whether it's the board. Either way, once you find out what it is, the magnets can be bought for around 60, 70 quid. And I think the whole unit can be bought for about 100 to 150 pounds if you wait on eBay to get one. And it'll come from a scrapyard with a guarantee, of money back guarantee on them. They're pretty good, the scrapyards, in terms of getting your money back if they don't work. To pull the unit out, you have to undo those 7 cables, and also there's 2 plugs on the side that just literally unclip and pull out. Very easy to take out, and literally then you just get a screwdriver between them, wedge it open slightly, and then open it up. Then you'll be able to tell. There's another video on here that shows you how to change the magnets. I'm not going to go through that, it's no point. This is just really to show you how to change the unit out, buy a new one and replace it. If you don't know what you're doing, just replace the unit and replace the fuse, because there's a 20 amp fuse that goes inside the car with this as well. Usually when the magnets are broken, like mine were, and also it's been working a little bit longer, obviously, because there's oil, pneumatic style oil on the turbine and inside the box, so something else has gone wrong. So this time I'm just replacing the unit. So if I buy the magnets and it doesn't work, I've already spent 70, 80 quid. This cost me £110 on eBay with a guarantee, and I'm going to fit that straight in and leave this and put this bit in the bin. I've taken it off and stripped it down. As you can see, that literally comes off the top of there. This is your turbine. So basically I've already taken this off. So what I found when I opened the box is quite a lot of fluid around, so I mean, as in oil, so I'm presuming the motor's burned out. But what you have got, as you can see here, I've taken this off, and as you see in other videos, you have to line them up. So you have to literally score them up, put a little bit of permanent marker on. So if you are just removing or replacing a rotor, then you're able to line it back up again. So put a bit of permanent marker across the whole of the magnets. But mine, I'm afraid, is gone. I've got a lot of oil in there, which is not good. It's not just the magnets. The magnets have blown, as you can see, they're in there. Lots of fragments of magnets. So if you can replace it, then just replace it. But there's other instructions online how to line it up and make sure you put it back on again correctly. However, I've just gone ahead and bought a new box, complete kit, so it should be plug and play as you put it back on. We'll have a look at that in a minute. See, mine now works.